It's Gary 83 Customs this morning. I'm gonna this GTO come in. The guy had backed into a pole on the passenger side, and we got all the body work done and everything, and then we sprayed this car, and the color we did in Chrome Max. It was a perfect match to the paint, but sun fade or whatever, it just didn't come out right. So now we resanded the front, so we're gonna blend it back into the doors. So I'm gonna attempt to blend this thing back in the doors. This car is really, really nice. So we're gonna try to blend it back in the doors and get this thing back in clear. It's kind of probably hard to tell on the camera how the fenders are. If you look at the fenders, if you just looked at it one way, it's kind of like you can't tell. But if you look at it another way or to the sun, it's just a little bit off, just a shade off. And the quality of this car, that wasn't happening. So I opted to just go ahead and blend it back into the other fender, back into the hood. We did a dual blend job on it, but it transitioned. It did transition right. And anybody that paints knows you have that sometimes. You just have to fix it. So we got it back in here. I wasn't accepting it. No, wasn't gonna send it to the customer. So got it back in there. Got it retaped. Got it all sanded back to the door. Got it prepped. So now we're gonna blend it. Still use Chrome Max XP. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it back in the door, and then we're gonna see if we can get this thing straightened out this morning. So once that's done, it'll dry off, flash off, boot's nice and clean, fixing to wet it down, come in here, knock out our stuff, and then get it out the door, try to get it finished up today. People and the body guys, man, they did a really good job of getting this thing straightened out, completely sanded, all the cracks lined up nice, and then getting it all sanded back into the door, getting the tape job's phenomenal on it. So hopefully guys, we'll have this thing in paint today, and with no problems, and we can go from there. But Gary 83 Customs,